Good afternoon, everyone. Today is Tablescape Tuesday. It is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and More and Emerson's Adventures. They do not have a co-host this week, so it is freestyle. So come along with me as I show you my tablescape for this Tuesday. Now, I'm going to tell you a little bit about this tablescape before I show it to you. A couple of weeks ago, I did go ahead and make this centerpiece. As I told you, it was actually a wall hanging from the Goodwill, and I just made it a bow and placed my arrangement around it. Previous, this centerpiece had a lot of the fall colors, the oranges, the browns, dark browns, and the greens. Well, I am a neutral person and I like the lighter neutrals. So what I've done, I went in and I've added the neutrals to it and removed a lot of the dark orange. I also removed the wreath that I had around here and I replaced it with a different wreath. Now this is a totally different wreath that I have used to surround my bowl here. And I've went back in and I've added the lighter pumpkins and went with the white candle holders. Now, what I'm telling you about this centerpiece, it's so interchangeable that I changed it 3 different times, and it's gonna give my table a different look every time I do it. So now I have this beautiful neutral flower arrangement in it, in the white vase with the white pumpkins. I will go back and show you the 2 previous arrangements that I used in the middle of this centerpiece. So I'm loving it because I can change it out without changing my total centerpiece. So I'm going to go ahead and let you take a look at what I have today. Now let me tell you a little bit about what I've done here. This wreath was from TJ Maxx. The pumpkin was from the goodwill, and all of the pumpkins inside that you see, the acorns, they were all from different places, the Dollar Tree, Joann Fabric, and some came off of a wreath that I no longer needed. The stems over there with the bows were from Joann Fabric. And then, as you can see, I went all the way around this bowl and added greenery. And these are picks that I placed inside. The vase was a Goodwill find, and the beautiful flowers were also a Goodwill find. I just put them inside this vase. Now I'll tell you a little bit about my place setting here. I kept the same runner as I had on the previous tablescape. I will go back and show you pictures of that. Now, the placemats, I did go ahead and change them out, and I used the leaves. This placemat I purchased at the Goodwill, and it has leaves all over it, the same as the glasses. I also purchased those from the Goodwill. My charger plate was from Hobby Lobby. My charger plate here was from Hobby Lobby. My dinner plate was from the Goodwill. I'm sorry about the noise, but you know how that is. This beautiful dinner plate was a Goodwill find. And on top of it, I added another beautiful Goodwill find. And I think they had these at Home Goods, I'm pretty sure. But I purchased mine from Goodwill. I then placed a third salad plate on top of that with the brown trim, and it was from Goodwill. The napkin and the napkin ring was also a Goodwill find. But that's how I've changed out my place setting without actually changing out my centerpiece, and it looks totally different than the previous place setting, because it is. But I did keep the same centerpiece. I went in and I added different candle holders, and in the middle I added a different flower arrangement. Now I'm going to show you the two other flower arrangements I had in here so you can see the difference. Thank the design family for coming along with me on this Tablescape on Tuesday, because without you, I could not do this. Again, I say thank you. And if you're not a part of our family, I'm gonna ask that you hit that like, comment, subscribe, and come along and be a part of our family. We would love to have you. I want to thank all of my new subscribers. Welcome to the design family. We love having you come in and join us. Again, I will be leaving the Grace Life DIY and Amerson's Adventures information in my description box. You all make sure you go over and check out their channel and all of the creators who are participating today in Tablescape Tuesday. This is Emma, and I'm gonna be seeing you all in my next video.